On an Excel screen, the area just below the ribbon is referred to as the formula bar. The formula bar right here contains information if the active cell contains information. If I click, for example, on cell B3, we see that it contains JAN. Now, the reason it's called the formula bar is if I press the down arrow on this worksheet here called profits, if I go down to cell B5, we see it's the value 100. Now, if I saw that and didn't go down to the next cell just yet, I'd say the cell below it has the value 20 in it. But as I push the down arrow, we see that cell B6 contains a formula. That's why it's called the formula bar. As you work with Excel, and maybe you haven't worked with it at all just yet, you get used to the idea of looking at the formula bar. Because as you move the active cell around, either by pressing arrow keys or pointing with a mouse and clicking somewhere, you want to know whether a cell contains a value or text or formula. And it becomes almost second nature as you work with Excel to look at the formula bar frequently. In much the same way that when you're driving, you look out your rearview mirror often. The formula bar is extremely useful to let you know what's going on. And as you open different workbooks and go to different worksheets that you've never seen before, you just get used to the idea of looking at this cell, that cell to see where the formulas are. Now, there's some shortcuts and other tools for finding formulas, but always keep an eye on that formula bar. It gives you a good sense of what a worksheet is all about.